Now look, I'm not a Patriots fan. I'm not a Seattle fan, but I know football. Why? All year long has the Seattle Seahawks relied on Marshawn Lynch. They've relied on beast mode. He the one that pretty much put him back in the game 2 weeks ago against Green Bay. You get on the 1 yard line, he totes you all the way down there. He comes within an inch of scoring on the first play, and then you go with a scat pass. You try to run a pick play. Come on now, whose call was that? That offensive coordinator should be fired. That is ridiculous. That is horrible. But, sometimes it plays out that way. Sometimes guys get conservative, coaches get conservative. I'm sorry. Call me what you want to call me, but if I'm the offensive coordinator and someone is upset about the call that I made, then you just have to be upset about the call that I made. That is crazy. You do not try to run a pick play on a 1 yard line. I mean, you're a hair from scoring. You mean to tell me that Marshawn Lynch, after dragging defenders, he can't score? You don't think that Marshawn Lynch can score? Oh, my God. I know he's feeling. He's got to be blown right now. Anyway, it's your boy, Mr. H.A. Double, man. Until the next Hall Fam vlog or next vlog from me. I usually don't do sports vlogs. I yell at y'all. I'm out. You can follow me on Twitter at double36double. Also look me up on Facebook too. Straight Chad Hall. Oh man. Pete Carroll.